In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable sleep mode on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Windows icon down in the search menu, or select the Start button, and type in Settings. Best result should come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, you want to select System. And then on the right side, you want to go down and select where it says Power. Go ahead and select that. And then there should be an item that says Screen and Sleep Timeouts. Go ahead and click the drop down for that. And then where it says Plugged In, you want to set where it says Make My Device Sleep After. Click the drop down and you want to make sure it's set to anything other than never, because if it's set to never, your computer is not going to go into sleep mode. So just go ahead and make a selection choice for that. And then if you are using a tablet or laptop, there will likely be another category or section immediately under this, so you can also do the same setting change. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.